Hi, Viper Chemistry students. Today, in this video clip, let's look at the periodic trends of ionization energy. Now, ions are when atoms will give up electrons and gain a charge. So we have, for example, we could have a positive charge like sodium will easily give up an electron, become positive charged, or for example, chlorine will take an electron and gain a negative charge. Now, the thing to remember about that is that atoms will tend to try to make sure that their electron configuration is meeting the octet rule. So if you think where sodium is on the periodic table, it's clear on the left side. It would like to be more like a noble gas, which remember is the group clear on the right side of the periodic table. Remember, noble gases have 8 electrons in their outer energy levels. They have met the octet rule. So that's what we see in nature. It's what chemists have discovered about this, is that they know that um, atoms will either take electrons or give electrons away and become charged, and based on this force that's acting towards either somehow reaching the octet rule. And so here in the near future, we'll be talking about compounds, ionic compounds, and that's how they form bonds is by becoming charged. Either a positive charged ion will attract to a negative charged ion. So these ions are charged atoms. Now, with that being said, there is an idea known as the ionization energy. So that is the energy required to pull an electron away from an atom. Okay. Now the trend here we see on the periodic table is that that pull becomes greater as we go from left to right. And the reason why is because there are more and more positive charges, or protons, remember, added to the nucleus as you go from left to right. So that just makes it harder for something to draw an electron away. Also, the trend is the smaller the atom is, which would be those atoms at the top of the periodic table, then the more pull that a nucleus would have on the electrons. And so therefore, a trend is seen then from bottom to top. So ionization energies, again, are the energies required to pull electrons away. And the trend is then from bottom to top, it gets stronger or greater. And from left to right, it gets stronger or greater. Okay. So that's pretty much what ionization energy is. I don't know if there's any, yeah, here's another slide that sort of tends to indicate that. All right. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Talk to you later.